Hey everybody, this is Kirk with An Easier Way to Trade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button so you can be notified.
Hey everyone, just want to show you the power of an easier way to trade Semi-EA we call it with management. Now I'm going to show you two accounts. This is a demo account right here that we started. As you see, the balance was $1,000 on February 7th. That's when we started this account, February 7th, 2023, $1,000, okay? We have not touched this EA for management. The only thing we've done was just turned it off doing market changeover because we don't want the spreads to spike and take us out of trades or put us in any bad trades. So that's the only thing we've done is turn it off, market changeover, and turn it back on, once the spreads calm down. Normally we turn our EA off at 2:00 p.m. Eastern time because we don't want to get caught in any bad spreads coming up the market change. And then we turn it back on around 7 p.m. Eastern time, after the spreads go back down. That's all we've done since February 7th. We haven't closed out any bad trades or anything like that. We just letting it run to see what it does. We run it through two NFPs. We run it through the federal chair, Jerome Powell, talk a couple of times, guys, and the EA will lose. It will have a losing day or two. This is how EA works. It will have a day or two of losing sometimes, but then it always comes back around. As you can see, these are all the trades. It loses, but it always comes back around, guys. And from February 7th to now, completely without any management other than turning it off and on at market changeover, we're at $700 in profit. $700 in profit, guys. That's amazing for you. As you see, we have some losing days, but it always turns back around. See, when the market consolidates, when we start managing it, when the market consolidates, then we'll close out trades that we know that's going to lose early. But when it's but right now we're just letting them run, guys. So, but when the market starts to trend again, that's when we make the money, right? So when it's consolidating, we may lose a day or two, maybe even 3 days. But then when that market starts to turn around and starts to trend, that's when we make our money back. So you can see all these trades, guys, all these trades. Look at that. Market was trending. We make our money back, right? Make our money back. This is from February 7th until today, with strictly no management at all, other than, again, turning it off and on in market changeover. Just letting it run, okay? And all the way down. There you go, right? So now let's go take a look at another account, our live FTMO account. This is our live FTMO account right here. Let's sign into this one. All right, this is a live FTMO $10,000 account. Just started March 20, right? To today. Again, it will lose when the market is consolidating, but it turns around. When the market starts trending, it turns around, guys. Again, this is a live FTMO $10,000 account. Again, zero management other than to turn it off and on, doing market changeover. Now, there may be a few trades in here where we closed out, it was 1, 2, or 3 pips from take profit, and we closed out. But the ones that we saw that were going to hit stop loss, we let them hit stop loss. We're not going to turn them off. We just let them go ahead and do what it's going to do, right? Because we know, even though it may lose, it will turn back around, guys. Now, we are going to start managing these trades, soon. We just wanted to see what our EA could do with zero management. We wanted to see what it could do with zero management. So I'm $200 away, $203 away from passing the $10,000, the first phase of $10,000 live FTMO account, guys. This is a paid for account. All right. So now, as you can see, an easy way to trade Semi-EA, guys, it's powerful. It is powerful with very, very, very limited management. This EA has been profitable on a demo account and a live FTMO account. And we have other people in our Discord group, guys, passing it on. I know having very much success with their live personal accounts with our EA. But we're going to start managing it, and we do Zooms Mondays and Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern to show people how to manage the EA, how to have the correct lot size, how to not go into drawdown. We don't worry about drawdown, guys, because we manage it. You know, you'll never hear us worry about drawdown because we know how to do our lot sizes, guys, by, you know, what drawdown, because we say, okay, listen, if we have 5 trades running max and we have it at $1 a pip at 30 pips, we know how much we can lose if all trades went south, right? So we manage our drawdown because we know what lot sizes to run, and we will teach you all this stuff. We will teach you how to look for trades that may want to close out early if you manage it because they're running into structure. We do all of that Mondays and Wednesday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern on our Zoom. The Zoom link is at the bottom of this video, guys. An easier way to trade Semi-EA. We call it Semi-EA because, you know, you will have some intervention with it. But right now, guys, we're just letting it run, and it is profiting. People are making money with it, guys, with zero to no management, with zero to minimal management right now. Join our Discord group at mycellphoneisAnATM.com to see other people's results. Again, mycellphoneisAnATM.com to get to see other people's results, and then get on our Zooms. You know, we post our Zoom links in our Discord group also, guys. So we'll talk to you soon.